All right, back we go. The market's still going on. It is Tuesday, February 16th. Checking out some of these small caps. The big winner today was SCKT. It's up 700% on good news, morning news, low float. That's what you want as a trader. Everyone's looking at that. It was an incredible move. And it was, some moves are better than others. It was a long all day. NBY, let's check this out. 31 million float, 49 million market cap. No news recently. A biopharma company develops, commercializes non-antibiotic, anti-infective products to address therapeutic needs for anti-infective market, United States and internationally. All right, you can look further on FinViz information. So, June this had a real bottom here at 30 cents. And look at what happened after that. This thing rocketed to 4, incredible long. And then what happens when you go long? You go short. It comes all the way down to 50 cents. Then it bottoms in March with the coronavirus, right at 25 cents. And it goes up to 150. Here's your 150 line, and back and forth chop. It keeps testing this. So you can see this 150 line here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the low is getting higher, even though from here to this 50-cent level, it's a subtle move. It's not a big move up, but 25, it's a quarter, 75, and here we are now. So it's found this dip in February to about 90 cents, then we go up to 117, 120. Now, logical answer here is we're going to test that 150 again, most likely. Is it going to pull back again? It can. I'd like it to pull back to 1 because then the lows would keep getting higher. It'd be a strong move right here. Keep them lows intact, move the 1, then we bounce up, through 150. Now, if we get above 150, you can see the wicks here, 175.2. That would be the next logical guess. Maybe 225 on this. Pretty low float. Insider zone 25%. What news this would really take off there. Everyone's looking at the same zones here. So, NBI, interesting long at this point. All right, here's CAN. We talked about this. 109 million float, 1.67 billion market cap. And what they do is they're in Bitcoin mining, Republic of China. This is a home run. I talked about this November. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Crush it. Big volume. You're stair stepping. Look at this. You have ascending triangle. This is a classic. 1 move, 2 move, and a third touch. Usually 2 to 3 touches, but in penny stocks, I've seen 10, 6. It's hard to really say. Look at the volume. This thing just keeps increasing. Look at the candles. They're massive, giant candles. So when you start getting into momentum zone, you don't know where it's going to go. This is in clear blue sky territory. There's nothing on the chart. Logically, you're going to go by numbers. It could go to 20, 25, 30. Up here, would I buy? No, I would not swing this. This is crazy territory. You want to swing low, too high. That's just my take. Because this could fall all the way back to this 1320 EMA. One thing in bad news, crypto, they pull the rug. You could come back here. But it's a great long if you caught it. It's a home run trade. You had this move right over 650, 6 and 7. It was a killer. Look at the 30-minute. Killer move. A 30-minute here has been bullish. Look at this here. 13 MA. Touches, bounces. Again, this whole way up has been amazing. 2 hour. Now, where's the top? Until you cross down, there's no top. But this is a big move for longs. They crushed it. I wouldn't put a position on now. We'll see what it does here. It could keep going. But just point that out. CAN, another tremendous move. And check my videos on it. BRQS, another one we've called. My calls, and I've got to be over 70% on my videos last month. Check these videos. I wish I had, bankroll. I could have a huge bankroll. I could, trade these. You can only trade so many there. You can only keep your eyes on so many stocks, even if you're swinging. It's very tough to look at all these every day. That's why you need more eyes. All right, so again, look at this move. 32 million float, 129 million market cap. They are in Android-based smart connected devices in China, United States, internationally. And here we go. See this back and forth, this 150 zone. This was over a year. And then what do you notice down here? See, this was one big volume bar. Look at the volume. Big volume. And what happens? We dip, we go up. We're touching this 13-man. We just explode. They explode above 150. Eventually, this broke through, like I said. I said it could get to possibly this 4 range. Looks like now, wants to do that. Any pullback, watch 250 pullback all the way to 2 to 175. Because it can fall back here to your 1320 EMA, can do this, fall back, and then bounce up. Doesn't mean the move's over because it's so far away. When you start momentum like this and going that strong, the EMAs are so far behind because it's just such a strong move. So FinViz has a line right here on June. They have a line pointing just like this. So they're saying that's a big trend line now. Just trying to get over that. Is it? It's possibly. It's tough when he's like to go line to line sideways. As you can see, the sideways moves here. But BRQS has been on fire. The break of 150 is called. It was a channel play back and forth. Eventually, channel plays will break through. But look how many times it took. This took over a year. And that's pretty amazing. All right, so that's it on these plays. Take a look. Subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. As I'm trying to see my screen here. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Trades. I have a Patreon, but it's not set up yet. So I'll set that up. And, that's it. These plays have been hot. Morning action still very strong in these small caps. And you're getting just great follow through right now. A lot of these plays, even if it's for a few hours, they're not just dumping. So, the stock market's still going pretty strong at this point. All right, that's it. Have a good day. Peace.